Yo, listen up, gardeners. This is the ultimate hedge trimmer you've been waiting for. No more cords dragging you down. Just grab it and go like it's superpowers. Trust me, this thing is all about cordless vibes. Freedom's a mood. Need to trim hedges? The long blade's got you. Grass? Switch to the short blade, easy peasy. Like a 2-for-1 deal, but for your garden. This is gardening genius. Safety first, fam. Extra shield so you can trim without fear. Dual locks and a safety switch? This baby's got your back. Only one hand needed, folks. So lightweight, you'll feel like a ninja gardener. Got a gardening buddy? This trimmer is the ultimate gift, trust me. Want to prune for hours? Fully charged, you'll slice through for 70 minutes straight. Doing 1,200 strokes per minute, it's basically a power drill for plants. With angle settings, say goodbye to back pain. Trim like a breeze. If you're serious about your garden, this trimmer is a game changer. Don't miss out. Grab this trimmer now and let's make those gardens pop. You won't believe how amazing this DeWitt tulip trowel is. It is so pretty but does the job perfectly in the garden. This bad boy breaks up soil like a fork in a cake. Sharpened edges tackle clay soil and roots like a breeze. It weighs only half a pound, but holds up like a champ. You know it's legit with that unrivaled Dutch-made quality. And the best part? It comes with a lifetime guarantee. Grab your DeWitt tulip trowel today and start gardening. Ever been in your garden, battling overgrown branches? Say hello to the Roam Wild Multi-Cutter, the ultimate garden tool. This bad boy is telescopic and extends over 4 feet. Cuts branches easily from 1/4 to 3 inches, no stress. Unique grips provide amazing balance and control. With chrome vanadium and Teflon-coated blades, it's super durable. All right, gardeners, listen up. You don't want to miss this. The ultimate digging fork is here, and it's a must-have. Check out this ergonomic design that will change your gardening game. It's got an unbreakable resin-encased steel shaft, built to last. Perfect for turning soil, moving mulch, and digging potatoes. And that O-handle grip? 4 times more surface area for comfy digging. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you know it's legit. Get yours today before they're all gone. Trust me, you won't regret it. Sick of struggling with those thick branches? Check out these Suizan loppers, made in Japan by master artisans. They're crafted from high-quality Japanese steel for insane durability. The anvil blade makes cutting so effortless it's like butter. Easily slice through branches up to 1/18 inches. Weighing just 1.37 centilomers, you can tote these around anywhere. They're compact, so storage is a breeze. The oval aluminum handle is 4 times stronger than round ones. Plus, it has a non-slip grip for max comfort while you work. Perfect for quick pruning or tackling big gardening projects. From backyard to local park, these loppers got your back. These are built to last, so you won't need replacements anytime soon. Don't wait, grab your Suizan loppers today.